Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to help you to stop a partner from cheating on you. Whether you are a male or female, this video is for you. Are you always fighting over unnecessary things in a relationship or marriage? Or you have a cheating partner? Is your partner not giving you the attention that you need and always giving the attention to other people? Well, if this is your problem, then worry no more. We have a simple remedy here for you. The herb you see on the screen is called Fern. Fern is a very common herb. It's mostly found around palm trees and moist areas like river banks. All you have to do is to get some of this herb and grind it or pound it into a very fine paste. Then you add some little water. Then you use the mixture that you have gotten to fumigate or to wash the private part. Please, after washing, you do not have to use clean water again to wash. You just have to go and then have sex with the person who is cheating on you or your partner. Then the person will be glued to you alone. Then the person will no longer cheat. So if you have a boyfriend or girlfriend and you know that you will not marry the person, please don't use this herb on him or her, because this is a very powerful remedy that will make the person glued to you, and then it will become very difficult to separate the two of you. So this is all about how to stop a partner from cheating on you. Please, this is a new channel, so we are begging you to subscribe to the channel so that we also get subscribers and you also get notification when we post a new video, so that you also learn new herbs. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we shall look at how to use the Fern to break spiritual marriages. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.